when you turn in your notes and you paste it in the boxes, this can happen sometimes. And this image, for instance, is the one on the left. And if I go like this, you see I'm minimizing it with the blue box in the corner, the little tiny blue square. And now I fit it inside the square. If you double click, you have these little black lines in the middle and on the corners. And this is for you to crop off any excess. If you crop off the excess, it also makes it easier for me to zoom in and see your notes. And you just click away from it, see? So I can do this. And then when I want to look at your notes, I just zoom on my computer and I don't have to worry about all that extra stuff, okay? Now here we have another one, and if you look, the blue line is going all the way off the page because it's such a big file. So again, I'm going to drag, it's not going to push it off the page, it'll still justify it to the top left corner, see? Now this is definitely sideways as well, and when you guys were posting them sideways, I couldn't rotate them, but now that they're in the doc, I could rotate them, or guess what? You can. So if you're submitting it, fix it first, because I'm looking at 100 something papers and you aren't. So if you could please take the time to fix your images before you turn them in, it's going to be greatly appreciated. See right there? Big difference. I've been playing around with the formatting of these pages for you to put your notes in, trying to figure something out that's best. And I really want it to be something that you might even look at again later. That's really why I want one big document for like a unit. And I'm trying to figure that out. So, we're working on it here. But look, okay. So for each of you to take 10 seconds to fix your images is much better than me doing it for every student, every class, every box, every assignment. It's just crazy. And I can't see anything. Oops. So I rotated it when it was on the black option, which means it did it inside the blue box, which gets a little confusing. So blue is going to, rotate or resize, and then the black does it within there where you can crop off excess, okay? So it looks a little blurry when you're cropping, but then when you finish, see the clarity kind of comes back. Then you just max out how much space you could take up, and we're good to go. You could even highlight these two boxes, right click, and hit merge cells. I can't really do it now because it's your file. So, actually, yes, I can. See, some things I can't do. Like I can't delete certain text. So there you go. Okay. So if you wanted to take up all this room, you could and be like, all right, well, I only have one page. Instead of me breaking it into, two smaller parts, I just have one document, and then I'm going to zoom out a bit. See? Beautiful. And then you can highlight these if you didn't need them, right click, and you click delete 4 rows. Now, this is something I don't think I can do. Yeah. So it shows that I want to, but it's your file. Same idea up here. If you highlight this over here, you could hit Command Shift if you have a Mac and the less than sign, and it will make it font smaller. And that could be helpful because it will take up less space on your paper and whatnot. So, that could be good. If you could do a lot of those edits yourself, I'd appreciate it. You can crop off this top box, you delete it completely. That was just there to give you directions and insight and guidance. And it would make everything a lot more organized. Okay, thank you.